Most of the wood I found on this property was cherry. There were some random burls. I was fighting with a very dull chainsaw blade. Here's the haul. Lots of big pieces. So now I'll start to process the wood. Between my chop saw and table saw, I wound up getting quite a few nice pieces of burl. I really like the white glow powder. I incorporated 3 different color mica powders. Let's pour. Okay, time to degas in the vacuum chamber. And you can really see how many bubbles it pulls out. Once the mold was done, I wanted to cut it in the shape of a crystal. This was my first attempt at trying to make a crystal. It was a little square, but still resembled a crystal nonetheless. Now I needed to do a lot of sanding. And more sanding. And more sanding. Put a little Renaissance wax on to polish it. Played around with 3 different mounting options. The one I really liked was this one. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes.